you always go so early?
What's that?
Why you come so early?
Early, where?
Well, when my dad started the video, he always saw you coming early and always wait for me a very long time. He don't know why, but he don't know is we are we going to the right time. He said that to me every day.
What's that? I'm early.
Yeah, you.
Oh, no, you're always on the normal time. Huh.
Normal time, but when my dad clicked on a video and they started, they only see you in the beginning and we only saw you coming up soon and very early and just waiting for me a very long time.
Oh, I don't know, maybe that was in one of the videos, but no, usually you're on time. Your dad knows what time it is. We usually talk about the right times in the group. Nice. What time did you wake up?
Well, early. Very early though.
Alright, how early?
It's about 3:45 o'clock.
Oh, why did you wake up so early?
I don't know. I want to wake up early so I can watch on TV.
Nice. What did you eat this morning?
Rice. Well, rice was so
Rice
I
and
forgot the
what's that?
I forgot the name.
Rice and soup, huh?
Yeah.
That sounds nice.
But also they kind of a little bit sour. But it's good for me because I like it. But not for my parents.
Oh, I see. Do you eat that a lot?
Sometimes.
Right.
But I heard that if you eat instant noodle, just instant noodle for a year, you can end up dying because the box of the instant noodle are made of cardboard, but they also they kind of something like when you're cooking the box inside the box they made our crayon things that smell like, and when you cook it, it kind of melts and it's going to your noodle. And when you eat it, sometimes you eat it, it's okay. It's kind of easy. But if you're eating every day, not for good.
Oh yeah, no, I can imagine that it cannot be good if you eat that every day. Yeah.
But when the man eating instant noodle for a day, he have to go in a coma, and his families are very worried about him.
A coal mine.
But yeah.
Why?
But okay, you're not getting died. He's still normal. Or maybe.
Where did you hear this?
On the video.
Oh, I see. That if you eat instant noodles too much, that's unhealthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
But have you ever eaten something that you didn't like at all, but you have to eat that?
Yeah, many times.
So what is it?
Something I eat that I really don't like.
Yeah.
Maybe when I was a kid. Now I like everything.
What?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know about that. But when my mom was a little, she never have anything. On her birthday, she did have a cake, but she never had a present or stuffed toy. But
Oh.
also, when she was a little girl, her house was very warm and very big. Inside her house, I like her house because she have a bedroom, and inside the bedroom they have a TV, and it's kind of big. The place is very big, so I cannot run around. I can get easily tripped because the floor is very slippery.
Where's that?
Well, sometimes when I run in the bedroom, I kind of easily get slipped.
Is it? You slip when you run in the bedroom, huh? Easy.
It's painful.
Yeah, do you fall?
I know.
Really?
But
You
still,
fall?
but in the bedroom they got another place on that. We have to get a ladder to get on that. And on that they got a camping stuff. And when I saw that, I called my friend. And my friend said, "Whoa, this is cool. Maybe we can use it." And I said, "I'm sure we don't know how to put a tent on."
Camping stuff, huh? Where did you see that?
Yeah. Well, on my mother's bedroom.
Oh, your mom has camping stuff in her bedroom.
Yeah, and I saw a tent. But we don't know how to put on a tent so we can go inside and have cool things. So me and my friend tried to figure it out, try to find a paper that show you how to do it, but we didn't find it at all. So we figured it out, and finally the tent was done. But when I saw that, I was amazed. I was about to take my little teddy bear toys and put it on the tent. But suddenly the tent accidentally fell down and is ruined.
I see. Would you like to stay in a tent for a night?
A little.
A little, yeah. Go camping. I think that's a lot of fun. We did a lesson on camping not too long ago. Do you remember?
I remember.
Yes, right. Okay. Hey, if you can go camping, where do you want to go?
I don't know about camping that much. But what about you?
Oh, I would like to go camping in the forest. Or the mountains.
Are you scared at night?
Nah, I think it'll be fun.
Animal sounds.
Yeah, animal sounds are beautiful.
What?
Yeah.
Haven't you?
Sorry?
Haven't you think that beautiful? I don't think that beautiful.
Because it's nature. No, it's nature. Animals are beautiful. It's nice to hear their sounds at night.
Nature can make something different, you know? Like, I saw on the picture, there's some people, and they saw some weird-looking rock, and they think in their mind is, what could be inside the rock, they think. So they take the rocks and cut open the rock, and what did they see? A Cookie Monster face in the rock.
Really? I think I saw that a long time ago, yeah. Okay.
And very inside the Cookie Monster mouth it's kind of shiny and glittery, but I also like it. I wish I had one.
Yeah, I saw that a long time ago on a video also. Tell me now, what did we do in our previous lesson?
A previous lesson about about family?
No.
Privilege?
Yeah, privileges, you say?
Privileges.
That's right. What are privileges?
Privileges is about friend things that you really want to, that like you're something that you had that no one had at all.
Yeah, but something that you have that you can be lucky about. You know, you're lucky to have that. You should be grateful for. Privileges, yeah, that's right. What's that?
Well, I found it at school. I tried to take it. And I took this thing. It's kind of funny.
I see. Oh, you just took that at school.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I also find some diamonds at school. I try to figure it out who is the owner of a diamond. But when I think of that, I says, I I sort of pick it up, don't care about anything, not thinking twice, not thinking anything. I says, wow, this is a beautiful looking diamond. Maybe I could take it home. And I take it home. And nothing happened, but I still keep that diamond. I still have a lot more of them in the box.
There's it. You still keep those diamonds.
But sadly, they aren't real. They're just fake.
Nice. Where did you
They,
find those diamonds at school? On the ground.
yeah, they just made out of glass, and some of them are plastic.
Oh,
So
I
yeah,
see.
have
Yeah,
diamonds.
that's usually the case, finding diamonds on the ground.
Yep.
Tell me, what privileges did we talk about last time?
Well, we talk about watching horror movie.
Yeah, watching scary movies.
I thought it's horror.
Uh,
Mm, and invite a friend over.
yes.
Mm,
Okay, watching scary movies, inviting a friend over. What was the other one?
the other one is talking friend on the phone,
Yeah, calling friends.
calling friends. That's all.
Watching scary movies. Talking on the friends on the phone, inviting friends over. No, there's more.
Have a party.
Mm. Have a party. Sing what?
Sing karaoke.
Okay, and then stay.
Stay up late.
Okay, cool friends, invite a friend over. Stay up late. Watch scary movies, sing karaoke, and have a party. Those are all privileges.
Privileges.
Yeah, it's right. We talked a little bit about weekends and weekdays in that lesson. What's the weekend?
The weekends is Sunday and Saturdays.
Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday.
That's right. That's the weekend. Okay, righty. And in that lesson, we also talked about making sentences with when I was young, or well, when my dad was young, he could do this and couldn't do this. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. What privileges do you have?
I don't know.
You can watch TV.
Invite a friend over.
Mm-hmm.
I still don't know.
I'll watch TV when you want, or invite a friend over. You can watch scary movies. You can stay up late sometimes.
Well, I still think my neighbor was more lucky.
Yeah, sure. Anyway, are you ready for the next one? What's that?
Yeah. You only have to play, but why not?
Let's go. Welcome to iGems. Welcome.
Morninglightmusic.io.
Okay, Unit 2.
It's family life.
Wait. Yeah, lesson 3. Boom. What does it say?
It's reading, babysitting.
Babysitting. That's right. What does that mean?
mean it mean that's that your parents call someone go inside your house and took care of you while your parents are going at working, while someone have to take care of you since no one is with you. So they say they they need someone to help them basically babysitting their, their kid.
Yeah, so babysitting is when your parents go out and they get someone to come look after you. So, right? Why does a babysitter have to look after you? What does a babysitter do?
Well they have to feed us, make us take a nap, and also when we sick they also have to bring us pills and play with us with a story time and and teach us about things, and if we don't know about inside our homework, did the babysitting help us? Yeah.
Sure, yeah, okay, but mostly a babysitter just looks after the kid. Okay. Have you ever had a babysitter?
No way, and never.
Never, huh?
I have to take care of myself.
Do your parents sometimes go out without you?
Sometimes my parents have to go work and I have to stay alone. But they also ready a lot. They ready everything. Like they have to cook. Everything is ready, and also they have to make sure that the place was safe, so I cannot go somewhere and took a carelessly open them, accidentally broke them or something. So they very they have to make sure the house was safety, so I can home alone. But when they go work and I was alone, and I was 5 years old back then, I took my blanket, took my potato chips, took my iPad, and took my water, bottle drinks, and took my pillows, took my stuffed toys, and I crawled to my dad's desk. I crawled under my dad's desk and turn on the iPad and put my blanket over my body and hugs my pillow and my teddy and eating some chips and drinking water while watching the iPad. And I was inside my dad's desk. I only come out when my mom or my dad will come home.
I see. Okay, so you were under that desk for a long time, huh?
But I still took on make sure the TV was on because I like loud noise.
Nice. Let's continue to picture number 1. What do you see here? Who's
I
that?
see the
Grandfather.
Or grandfather.
grandfather.